swimming. This is the the chili, and Rose is coming back. And this is the Biko. Bigay natin kay sis Caroline. Hapon na dito, 5 o'clock. Let's go. Ito yung kapitbahay. Meron ng lumipat. The two ones in the middle, they already moved. Tapos the one on the side, they just moved here. They're new. Are you excited?
Yeah. We're singing banana chicken. Banana chicken. Banana.
Cute house din na sinasabi ko. Alam mo, it's beside the grocery store. Tingnan nyo ha, pakita ko sa inyo tsaka ang ganda ng space niya nung malawak. Diba? Oo, katabi niya yung grocery store. Ito yung grocery store. This is the house. It's so cute, diba? Tapos, they have lots of space for gardening. Tapos may shed pa sila, pinaka-cute. No? Gusto lang pala malapit sa grocery store. Hindi, gusto ko kasi malawak yung space eh. Ayan o, diba? Swerte nila. Tsaka cute ng shed nila. Their shed is cute. Ito yung parang farm dito. There's a farm here. Yata. Ay, hindi pala. Ito na yung pinupuntahan natin. Ayan. Ang dami ng sasakyan nila. Ang dami nag-grocery dito, be. Diba? Super dami. Kami dito sa cute car, eh. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, it has a shed, it has a house. Cute, no? Tapos, it's beside the grocery store. Lang.
Oh, I'll get them.
Laki na itong store, be. Products, clothes. Bento boxes na sinasabi ko, be. Super dami, oh. Ang daming options. So, it's just cooked already when you're in a rush. Kagaya natin ngayon, pupunta tayo sa park. So, kuha muna tayo ng food na luto na. And it's affordable. Hi, Hannah will get the fries.
Fries.
Ito yung mga iba. Chicken. Hanap tayo. Sandwich, onigiri, at saka kimbap. Sushi, may ramen. Uy, may ramen pala. Spaghetti noodles. Pili tayo. Ay, ang sobrang dami nitong line na to. Straight. Super many. Ramen. Dami, oh. Meat, may vegetables. This one. Diba? Ang dami, Ben, oh. Where's David? Hi, David! Bobby, may shrimp, may fish. Vegetable at saka meat. Egg. Meat. And pizza. May dessert din dun, kakanin. Yung may beans, ito yung ayaw nila Hadasa Tanaw. Pero masarap yan, Ben. Nakakain ko naman. So, pili muna tayo. Parang ito yung gusto ko. Yung fish. O yung itong isa yung may nagchichika-chika ang kitties. Smile! Hi, David! David! Hi, Hannah and Hadasa. Hi, David! What are you doing? Are you busy eating your finger? Why? Why are you eating your finger? Baby. Baby. He's so big now. You look like 5 months old, David. He is only 3 months old, beautiful friends. Ang ganda ng veranda is so near the grocery store. It's just in front. Okay. Taniman Plant Farm. Ang ganda ng house nila malapit sa ano. Parang ito yung Swansea. The swans go here when it's winter. Right now it's too hot for them, so they're not here. So only ducks. You can see just ducks here. I will check it. I think this is where the swans stay. So right now let's check. Oh, there are ducks, brown ducks. So right now their swans are not yet here. They will be here on winter. Hi, Hadassah. Nature. Give the ducks bread. The ducks have some bread.
Just like 1 or 2 pieces for the way out. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
Fish?
Whoa! Whoa! Giant!
Oh goodness.
What?
Big
Oh, may swan. Hindi sa middle pala yung swan. Ano lang siya be?
Fish are gonna get it
It's
all.
not a real swan. The one in the middle. Cute naman yung middle part.
Oh.
They're feeding the ducks.
Oh my gosh, the fish are massive. Hey, ducky. Hey, there are some baby ones over there. Hey, ducks. Got some delicious nummies. I'm gonna come up here.
David is here, be. He's sleeping. He just finished drinking his milk and he's sleeping and taking a rest.
See them over there?
Okay.
Whoa!
Busy si Hadassah. Nagsasalita. Kinakausap ang ducks. She's talking to the ducks. Ang cute ng ducks. I wonder if the ducks are here when it's winter, right? Be. Okay, let's check. This is the middle part. It's cute. It's like a mini garden.
Yeah, they're coming up.
It's too hot that they really want to swim.
Yeah, the babies are coming. Babies? Yeah, enough bread. Yeah, the babies are coming. That's the babies.
They're going near you because they know that you're feeding them. They love it.
Yeah, the babies.
Save some for the babies.
Yeah, the babies are coming. Gotta save some for that. Yeah. Oh!
Sweet, they want up here. Because they want the food. Ang sarap naman ito, grilled, duck. Ay, ano ba yun? Baked.
Grill that.
Ay. Di ba sa atin, be? Pag malaki na, di ba, inaano mo. Miss ko na yung recipe na yun, minsan lang. Kawawa naman yung duck. Chicken na nga lang. Cute nila eh. Parang baby. Oh. No? Ang cute nila parang baby. Maybe he's already full, Hannah. He always have the food. How about the other ones? Gusto ko tuloy mag-feed din. Ito yung bread for the ducks. We haven't seen this one. Kasi hindi tayo nagpunta dito ba ng winter. Oo, buntis pala ako nun. Pagod ka agad. Hindi makabiyahe masyado. Okay. Let's also eat. Baby is sleeping, enjoying. We haven't seen the ducks yet, but that's the one that's miniature or what do you call it? It's big. Malaki siya, be. This is one. Maybe they put it there so that the ducks will stay. Hi, enjoy. We love you.
Love you. We're looking at the duckies.
Kain tayo, be.
So where should we? I know.
Yeah, they can sit in this room. I thought that was a decoy.
Ang ganda ng background mo, Hadasa.
Already has
So beautiful. Ayan. This is for Hannah. Hannah, here you go. Here you go. Yeah.
You look hot because we put too much blush on. You look hot because your cheeks are pink.
It has egg.
They're like
If you see this bento,
so fast that
try
I
it.
leave a trail behind them.
Hannah don't want to try this.
The top of the tomato and then suck on.
Ni tatay magtawag ng ducks, be. Look at that. All the ducks went near him. Squan pala to, be. Hindi pala siya fake squan. Why it's just by himself? Diba? Akala ko fake yan. Wala, grabe si tatay. Meron siyang marunong siya ng enchant. Lumapit na yung mga ducks, the ducks and the swans went near. Kasi the tatay has a style like this. Pakita ko sa inyo, Sabi niya, come here, come here. Tinatawag niya. Real pala yan. Akala ko fake siya, I thought. But because he's yan. Basta dun siya kanina, diba? Mag-isa. We will look at the ducks, okay? Yeah! Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Did you saw the ducks? Look at the duckies. You know, si tatay, ang galing niya magtawag ng ducks. David, you're so cute. You're so chunky. There's babies here too. There are girls here. Smile.
I am a stroller.
Thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, go. YouTube. Thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, go. Online. Is he cute, the baby? How cute is he? Kiss him for them, Hadassah, because there's it. He's so cute. Cute baby.
He's bored. Do you want my stroller? Too bad.
Look, those are the ducks, David. He's looking at the ducks. He's enjoying nature. He's like, please get me out of the house. Today is Saturday, babe. Pasyal day. Ayun si tatay, oh, he was calling. He is a duck whisperer. He can call the ducks. The ducks are there earlier in the water, and now he went here. Look, there's other ones that are going near him. Maybe they're friends already. They're feeding them for a long time. David, look at you. You're so cute. Look at this when you turn 20, 15, 10, 30 years old, 50 years old. Mama. Nature. Wait lang. Ito, maganda to, be. Ito. David is in Japan. 2025. Thumbnail natin to, David. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. We love you. Ouch. We love you. Friends of David to his papa. Sabi ni
Chris,
Hannah.
put her down. She's scared.
Hannah is the one sitting down. That's David's. David, oh, will you allow her to use your stroller? Mga ate ni David talaga na. If you love nata de coco, be, try nyo to ang sarap. Para siyang may buko inside, but it has nata de coco. Yum! Ay, so sweet! Hi, brother and sisters. Wow, that's so sweet. I'll get the milk. Maybe he wants a snack.
The cute little. Here's the cute thing.
Have snack already. Had snack already. He had snack. Wow, good mood. You had snack? Is it fun here? You love the ducks? Para kaming kapit gatas ni David, Bill. I'm coffee, he's milk. We love you. Have a great day. Take care every day. Beautiful friends. Go there, but maybe they will fly away, so just here. I'll just try to go so that David can see them. David, let's walk. They're going to stroll here. Hadassah, Hannah at Papa nila, be. Grabe yung nature, no? Yung trees, it's so high. It's like a building. Hi, Hannah! Baby, Ate is here. She's running. Be careful. Sure. It's beautiful, be. Ang ganda nitong plant na to, oh. Then the background are the trees. Welcome to, what's this called? Shimoda Park. Welcome to Shimoda Park. Nature. Let's go inside. ganda dito, be. Oh. Nakaka-miss sa mga probinsya natin, no? Ito yung gusto ko, be. Nostalgic. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po, no? Fish, be. This one is a pig, dog, cat, chicken. I think that's dog, cat, chicken, right? Pig. Okay, what's next? Outside. Do you like it? Yeah, smile. It's nature. Yeah. They walking. 30 minutes of walk, diba? Mabuburn yung calories natin, be. It's very healthy. Look at this tree. It's cute, right? They cut it. Then it grew back.
Pebble.
It's cute.
It's a purple petal. Pebble.
Let's do healthy walking. Take care, beautiful friends. We love you.
There's a bench over there with a frog.
There's Japanese family over here. And Hadassah is having fun. You like it?
Yeah.
You walk with your sister. Come on. This is like square view pala, be. So it's all over. This is the left side. That's the right. Very refreshing. Ang ganda, be. Oh. Sana nagpa-picture ako dito. Here, dragonfly, Hadassah. Yes, David.
This is the best time.
Spider webs and it's humid, but yes, this is a
Dad, there's something crawling over me. I don't know what it is.
where
At least it didn't stink on me.
it's true.
I need to take a video for sa run fast. Naku, hirap talaga pag ayaw maging model ng mga kasama mo. Kuhaan na lang kaya nila ako. Okay lang sa akin makukuhaan ng camera. Hindi, joke lang. Yan. Hadassah kasama ang papa niya at si David. Yan, remembrance nila, be. Para habang wala pang 500 years old. 100 years old. Si Hannah, sabi niya nabuboard daw siya. Maganda kay Hannah ma-expose to nature. Hannah, when you turn 18 or 25 years old, make sure that you do this, ha? Walking, because it's healthy for the body. Good health. Hannah, Hadassah, and David, we love you. Your outfit is so cute. Sabi ko sa kanya, she wait for me. Because PY, protect yourself. Hindi sila pwedeng malayubi ng, alam mo, yung super layo. Kasi alam mo na, baka may manghila. Hi, beautiful friends. Have a great day. We love you. Take care every day. Oh, the ducks are coming. Ay, they went back. There's no food. They were like, there's no food. They thought there's food. Akala ko, duck whisper, animal whisper na. Kaya pala cute yung mga trees dun sa street, eh. Ito na pala yun. Oh, this is the place. It's like Swan Pond or Swan Lake. Cute ng swans, be, no? These are the birds that you can see here. Whistling swan at saka whooper swan. The ducks are spot-billed duck. And there are lots of birds.
Oh, these must be all the sites around Maury Province, right?
Toilet area, be.
Yeah, they're big. And
Ang cute, no? Medyo luma na siya. Pero kung may new ka na ganito, tapos store siya, ang sarap magtinda, be.
Gonna release this butterfly.
Wow! Nasaan na? Hindi ka nakita.
Oh,
Did you... Be, look at this one. There's 2 houses here. Ito pa yung house kanina nakita ko. Hindi ko, ay, ito yata. Imagine, their view is this one. So beautiful. And then they can do walking here like 3 times a week or every day if they like, for good health. They're so blessed. Oh, there's one more house. Those are houses. So the 3rd house is this one, the yellow. I'm just not sure if this our house. Kung mga bahay siya. Ayun, may cemetery here. There's 3 house there. It's beautiful. Tsaka yung kanina, near the store, that house is really cute too. There's a shed. They also have a small space for small gardening. Na ay prinsesa. Tignan nyo, be. She got so tired. Now she's taking a rest. She's funny. And these ducks are so sweet. They remember when they were given bread and they were going near wherever humans go. See, they're now scattered. See this one? They're coming here. They're the ones that was given bread by Hadassah and Hannah. These are the babies. These are small ones. Oh yeah, with their mama. Oh, so cute. Ang cute, be. Hindi ko siya masyadong makita without a camera because it's so far. But with the camera, it's so near. That's so cute and so sweet. She has 4 kids. Enjoy the nature, baby. See, it's pretty, right? Sisters are there. This is baby David. Look. Look. Oop. Yes, now he's happy he's here because earlier he wants to arrive in the house already. So look. His reaction to a big teddy bear toy.
It's an otter.
Relax, take a rest. We love you. Hannah. He loves his brother. He loves his brother. David likes it. Relax. Care every day. We love you.